You will survive when you survive, and you will not get prosecuted. However, I did pick up on the.
Hey
Hey
guys,
guys, welcome to our channel. I'm
And-
Darren.
and I'm Galina.
Okay, we hope you guys are enjoying our video so far. Yeah, we just like to share some light on UAE laws, the couple of changes.
Yeah, these have been an update like
yeah.
a week ago,
Yeah,
two
it's
weeks
about
ago.
2 weeks ago.
Not sure when this video gonna get posted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's been these few changes is actually good ones, I would say,
Yeah, it's
because
like-
of all the expats that's living. There's like over 200 different nationalities here, so it's all these
I was
expats.
holding a what, like I wanted to say it and I was like, and you was never stopping. Yeah, I wanna say, yeah, it's good, but it's kind of crucial. It's changing a lot. It's for someone it's good, for someone it's bad. It's like really overcoming, so to say, like very big change for
Yeah.
UAE especially. Yeah.
I think also they needed to change this because of the pandemic and how it's affected like all the businesses and so on. So like they're more open.
I don't see how it's going to get.
I
Yeah,
think
maybe you are.
Yeah, especially we'll talk about it now and then
Yeah.
you'll see my point. Yeah, so like one point to highlight is let's talk alcohol
Straight away.
straight away.
Oh, someone's favorite.
Yay! You try this. I'm an alcoholic.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so
I
the
do.
law has changed. Basically, you can purchase alcohol now without the license, which is a good thing. However, if you're still under the age of 21, you still cannot purchase, drink, or any of this kind of thing.
But it's like in other countries, but he's just more stricter.
Yeah.
And yeah, but also the thing with alcohol, it was already on the way, like going down. When I just moved, I have been here for 3 years. So when I just moved, it was very strict. You need to have a certain income in order to get license. Then you need to go apply, pay for it, and then you can have a
Yeah.
license.
Exactly.
And then you can go to the particular shop and buy with it. And then like I think like from a year ago, anyone can make it. They will not check your income anymore.
Yeah.
You does not have to give any certificate from your work and so on. You just need to pay your fee and you get a license, which is already a simplified process.
Yeah. So it was on a decline already.
On
like,
the way.
Yeah, to get to this point, I think. Yeah, and then today we actually were passing by.
Yeah, so now actually it's proclaimed that everyone can buy alcohol
Yeah.
without any license needed.
Mm.
And you can drink alcohol also, because before, like if he has license, actually he can drink, but I'm not allowed to drink, something
Correct.
like this.
Only I can
Now,
consume on my own license.
Everybody can consume, but of course within a age range, so to say,
Correct.
and anywhere, but of course not in the public places.
Yeah, and like I was saying, we passed by one of the shops just to have a look, to inquire about it and maybe purchase 1 or 2 drinks. But we checked and we asked him if it's still like necessary, like if it's okay for us to purchase.
Yeah,
and they
how
said
does
it's
it
not.
work actually?
It's not
So
passed
we can
by.
just get inside and get like in the regular shop, because
Yeah.
there's couple companies actually who rule all these alcohol liquor shops in
distributions and
Dubai.
so on.
Yeah, and they're very separate, so we just wanted to check how does it work.
Yeah.
And eventually,
Yeah, they just told us that it's passed by on the net, but not through their company. This is the kind of information they gave me. But they said if I go to the counter, they could assist me. So I think it's still not finalized 100%, to be honest.
yeah, they still, I think workers are unsure, and they had some check and so on from some official place, so to
Yeah.
say. So we was waiting and it was just taking long time, so we decided to go. Maybe on our way back we're gonna check it again,
Yeah.
but I think it just needs some time
To
for
process.
yeah.
Yeah.
And to make it real.
Yeah. So that's a good thing, I think, to a certain limit.
For an alcoholics,
Yeah, I like this one. Yeah.
no one will even believe that I can be an alcoholic.
You know, innocence doesn't always show the true colors.
But the seeing through color is so clear.
Yeah.
But okay,
Next point.
next point.
All right. So
Next point
You
is
want to raise
that now people can live, couple can live together. Also, maybe if you've seen our other video about relationship in Dubai, we say that you are not allowed to live together unless you're legally married. There is nothing as a partner and so on and so forth. As a boyfriend, girlfriend, no one care unless you're married. You cannot live together in one apartment. Even stay in the hotel.
And even like we tried to move in once, and we called the agency, and they told us no, we need to be married. But the thing is, we know of so many people that, well, I know of so many people that is not doing it that way.
If you're doing it not through agencies, through landlord, you might find a way before, but of course it wasn't illegal. And but now everybody is allowed to live together legally.
Yeah.
Which is really simplifies things for a lot of people, like honestly, because it
for
was
our
a
instance,
struggle. For our instance, it is, but from other point, it does not play still a big role.
Yeah.
Because in the companies where we work, due to the current situation, they cannot give us live out allowance, so we have to live in accommodation provided by the company.
At the moment.
That's why we still live in apart.
Separately.
Yeah, which does not make any sense, but we don't have a choice.
So even though this law was passed by and or like changed, we still cannot move together.
Yeah,
long story short.
Which is just so
yeah,
bad. In a nice way to say. Yeah, but it's cool law, really. Not like just okay. Maybe for some people with different views on a life, it is okay to have it this way that you cannot live together. But for a lot of people, it's just people here coming to work and they already have so much pressure, and when they cannot stay with someone they need in their life, it's making it more struggle and more stress.
Definitely. I mean, imagine coming home. You know how it is for you people out there who lives with a partner. You go, you have a very like a torrid day, and you want to go home to your partner, you know, and just relax and have the comfort of them listening to you and all these kind of things. So yeah, we don't have that yet, unfortunately. But yeah, we're just glad the law changed, so it's kind of like a stepping stone.
It's opening the door for us. However, maybe we're gonna get married before we're gonna move together. Yeah. As a point.
We're gonna see about that. But yeah, I think that's okay with that topic, in regards to that topic. Next point
is...
Shall I say it? Okay,
it's
so
very exciting topic for that.
No, it's not exciting. So basically, you couldn't commit any suicide, right? And if you are caught doing it, or if you by some way survive and you are caught doing it, you will be prosecuted. So, but now, they actually lowered the.
You change the camera, you know.
Now they will lower all of these kind of like this law specifically, so it's fine. You will not get, you will survive when you survive, and you will not get prosecuted. However, I did pick up on this point where if you assisted someone in doing so and you are caught, which I'm sure will never happen if you're assisting someone. You will be prosecuted. Yeah, so if you assist someone, you will be prosecuted. But the person
it's other way.
No, I read that.
No, I heard about this also, that if you was trying to commit suicide and someone was trying to help you, this person will not be charged, because help you to save you in a way, not to help you to suicide. Help you, like you trying to commit suicide and I'm trying to save you. You got it? This is what they mean.
I think
and before, this person could get charged because it's considered that like interrupting their life, and they don't know if you're helping them to save them or you're helping them like trying to kill them.
That's the one.
Not like who gonna help someone to commit suicide? Like it's
you get level. People like that.
No, but it's as a level. That was the point, that before if you help
you're right. No,
if you help a person who trying to suicide, you're trying to save them, you might get charged on it. Now it's not gonna be this way. Yeah, but we not support any of this in any way. None. It just, let's state in the law. This is the changes, which is just unfortunately people met in their life. Yeah.
And then there's other things such as like being divorced and things.
You can get divorced, because before in UAE, as it's Muslim country, you cannot. It was really hard to get divorced, and as well, I think it's on the women's rights. that now women can also apply for divorce, because before only men could was be able to apply for divorce.
Yeah in UAE.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like ladies get a more right, and as well at the same time I think there is a law, because before, like if he trying to, I don't know,
What?
if man trying to abuse me, and then I am gonna go to the court. If there is no other man supporting my word, I can lose. And he telling me that he didn't do it in the court. So now is like the lady voice will also count, even though it's not supported by the male voice.
Yeah, so I'm glad
that's
these
actually
kind of
good,
things.
yeah, because it didn't make sense.
Yeah.
Even I remember, because we work in hospitality, and sometimes guest was asking me, is it okay for you being here alone in Dubai? And like I heard so many stories that like if something happened you cannot prove your point and so on. Well, you don't really encounter it on daily basis, but you never know what you never know. And it's good that it's now kinda equal, no? It have to be equal. Like there is must not be any discrimination on any terms such as gender and so on.
Yeah. The laws are slowly adjusting to the other world.
Yeah, so Dubai becoming like, as they say, I saw it, Dubai become a Malibu of Arabic countries.
Yeah.
Because so many things is now allowed.
Yeah.
And people just can come. It's like small, it's really, I think, like a small piece of earth in all surrounded by all Arabic countries, where it's so different comparing to others.
But also if you think about it, like at some point also in the future more changes will come. They have to adjust. They have to.
Well, you never know, baby.
Because like
still, it's Muslim country.
It is Muslim country, but there's such a lot of things that's happening or that's underground that's happening, and things that cannot be controlled. And at some point, I mean, the government knows these things are happening, but at some point their market or the country's economy needs to open their doors to these kind of things to a certain extent. I mean, they can limit it to a certain point, but then maybe open.
We're gonna see.
Guys, so that's it on our update from UAE, or should I say Dubai?
Dubai and UAE, because it's regarding the UAE in general as well. Yeah, small pop-up news from us. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any question regarding what is happening here or in general about us, please leave us a comment.
Just pop one below. Yeah.
Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you guys.